keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Welcome students. Today we will see lesson number 2, number work. Children, before we start with our topic, let us have a quick recap of what we have learned in our previous class, that is your 3rd standard. Here I have a number on the screen. Which number is it? Yes, the number is 99. This is the largest 2-digit number. Now, if I add 1 to this number, that is 99 plus 1, I will get 100. Let us place this number in the place value chart. So, it is 100, tens and units. So here I get a 3-digit number, and this is the smallest 3-digit number. Now let's play a game. Here I have number cards for you. Can you see the number cards? Let's take any 3 numbers from this number card. Suppose you chose 7, 3 and 8. And I chose 0, 6 and 5. Now we will read the numbers chosen by you first. It is 7, 3 and 8. Children, remember, while reading a number, we should always start from the leftmost position, that is hundreds place, and we always read the last 2 digits together. So the number you chose was 7, 3 and 8, and we will read the number as 738. Now we will read the number I chose. I chose 0, 6, 3. So we should start from the left side first. So the leftmost position in hundreds place, it is 0. And the last 2 numbers I have to read together. So the number will be 63. Oh, so it is not having any 100 digit. It is a 2-digit number. I made a mistake. You should always remember that to write a 3-digit number, 0 should not be there in the 100 place. Okay, one more example. The number written on the screen is 623. So, in words, I will read it as 623. Now, if I am given the numbers in words, how will I write it in figures? You can see here I have written 348. So in the leftmost position we are taking it first. So first it will be 3 and then 2 digits are together. So it is 348. Now, can you see an abacus kit on your screen? There are 3 colored balls on the abacus kit. First one is blue, then red balls and yellow balls. The blue balls stand for 100, red stands for tens, and yellow stands for unit. Now, I taught you that you will always start from the leftmost position. So we will start counting. How many balls are there in 100 place? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 400. Now the tens place. How many balls are there? 1, 2. So the next digit is 2. And in units place, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the digit is 425. Now we will learn how to get the previous number and the next number. To get the previous number, we must minus 1 from the given number. See the number that is given to you. The number is 368. So to get the previous number, if I subtract 1 from 368, what will I get? I will get 367. In the same way, to find the next number, I will now add one number to 368. So 368 plus 1 will be 369.
Let us see more examples. The number given to you is 492. So for the previous number, you will subtract 1 from 492. So 492 minus 1 is 491. 491 minus 1 is 490. So the two previous numbers of 492 are 490 and 491. Now we will see the next number. 492 plus 1 is 493. 493 plus 1 is 494. So the two next numbers of 492 are 493, 494.
So the number is 123. So 123 minus 1 is 122. 122 minus 1 is 121. So the previous numbers of 123 are 121 and 122. Similarly, the next numbers of 123 are 123 plus 1 is 124 and 124 plus 1 is 125. Students, I think so now previous and next numbers are very clear to you. Remember that for finding the previous numbers, you have to subtract 1, and for getting the next number, you have to add 1 to the digit.
Now tell me, who will tell me the 3-digit highest number? Come on, think. The highest 2-digit number is 99. So the highest 3-digit number is 999. Now when I add 1 to 999, I get 1000. That is 1000. So now that is the introduction of our chapter, and that is the 4-digit number. The number given to you is 1542. To write in words, you will start from the leftmost position. So, starting from the leftmost position, 1542. If you are given numbers in words, how will you write it in figures? The number given in words is 6511. So the figure will be 6511.
See on the screen. You can see 4 colored balls on the screen. There are purple balls in thousands place, blue for hundreds, red for tens, and yellow balls for units. Now let us start counting. first we will start from the left hand side, the purple balls. So how many thousands are there? 1, 2, 3. So my first digit is 3. Now in the second one, hundreds. How many balls are there? 1, 2. So it is 200. Then in tens, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And units 1, 2, 3, 4. So as I taught you, you will start reading from the left hand side. So your figure is 3264. Here there are 4 squares. 1 square stands for 1000. So count the number of squares. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the figure is 4000. Now next figure. Here I have square and triangle. Triangle stands for 100. So 1 square, that means 1000. 1, 2, 3 triangles. So it is 1300.
Here there is 1 square, 1 triangle and 2 circles. Circle stands for tens. So the figure is 1120. Here there is 1 square, 1 triangle and 2 circles and a dot. The dot stands for units. So the figure will be 1121.
We saw 3-digit numbers. We learned 4-digit numbers. Now we will go to 5-digit number. So the highest 4-digit number is 9999. Adding 1 to this digit will give me the lowest 5-digit number. So it is 10,000. Children, now for reading the 5-digit number, you will take first 2 digits together. Then the 100th place and the last 2 digits will be read together.
You are given the figure 72851. To write in words, starting from the leftmost position, it will be 72,851. If you are given the numbers in words, to write it in figures, 41,309, it will be 41309.
See here, there are green balls in 10,000 place, blue ball in hundreds place, red in tens place and yellow balls in units place. So as I told you, we will start from the left hand side. How many balls are in 10,000 place? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my first digit is 4. In 1000 place, there is no ball, so it will be a 0. In 100 place, how many balls are there? 1. Tens place, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In units place, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. So the figure will be 40,154. So, we will take a recap of what you learned today. Children, I think so you are clear with the 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. Biggest 3-digit number is 999. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Biggest 4-digit number is 9999. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000 and the biggest 5-digit number is 99,999. I also taught you how to read the numbers. If the number is a 3-digit number, you will start reading all the numbers from the left hand side and the last 2 digits will be read together. For 5-digit numbers, you will read the first 2 numbers together, then the 100 number and the last 2 digits together. Children, take out your pen and paper and start solving the exercises that are given to you. This will make you thorough with the topic. Till then, we come with a new video. Keep learning new things every day. Thank you.